YouTube fan. Hey, why is one of my... What's going on? I tap that little fan. Oh, it's just... This is just nuts. Look how much snow. At least 1.5 feet is right there. My tires that need to go on my truck. Like it's still stuck. Guys, it's cold as you can believe outside. But promise some YouTube fan. Hey, why is one of my lights not working? Seriously? Really? Boy, it is dark in here. You gotta see all this stuff, guys. All the stuff that I had to take out of the camper. Oh, y'all see something missing? Yes, I actually sold the hood off this car. Sold it, tired of it. Time to go. Yep. Love it better like that. Love it better like that. So, we're gonna try to do some things in here today. Shut the door and stuff like that. I don't got no propane for the salamander. So, probably going to be a little cold. As you see, that's the issue we have all the way around here and up on top. So, this summer we need to most definitely insulate this place. But you see all this stuff here, the stuff hanging up there and stuff like that. All that stuff needs to go in that camper. And the camper door is probably going to come about right here. So it'd be nice to get in and out. All this stuff, everything. Probably not the toolbox. Probably put the toolbox over there. But guys, the room is, you know, it's going to be great. Alright, my tapped out auto fam. We are just about ready to fire it up. I got the radiator in it. Don't worry about the blinking light. Then I do got a question on how to fix something. But our plan is right now to hear this baby purr. Ain't got no water in it. What is that? Oh, plow truck or something? Plugged in. Should be able to turn the key on and hear it. There it is, clickety clack. Emergency lights are on because of the steering column tore apart. Now, this is my problem. We shut it off. When you turn this thing all the way back to take the key out, this thing is really hard to turn back. And look, see how springy it is? So guys, how do I fix that? And when you try to turn it back, I mean, it's hard. Oh, look at that. Love it, guys. Quarter of a tank of gas. So yeah, how do I fix this? It's really hard to pull back. I mean, I'm not keen with these damn steering columns. So tell me how I need to fix that. Do I need to take all this off and do something back here, or what's going on? Something binding in there, or what it is? Let me know, guys, and then we can get this thing back together. So as soon as that shit's gone, we can be driving this. Oh, very happy to hear it rain. It rains. Ah, go drive back to where. Also, I gotta get the right battery for this. There we go. So yeah, all right, guys. Well, I'm gonna mess around in here for a few more minutes and then call it quits for now. It's one thing I do want to find. There's a back here in the back, I took off this damn brake block that was back there, and I don't know if that's what it is or what, but it just doesn't seem like the brakes are all there. Well, the front ones do, back ones not so much. So want to see, because the baby's going to be riding in this thing most of the summer, guys. I mean, we did it last year. Me and her are going to be doing it this year. So I want to get this car completely safe. And, yes, it is actually safer with the hood being off of it. It's pretty much like, you know, people driving around with their doors off their Jeeps. It's pretty much the same thing. We need to get that clicky-clacky in the back where it needs to go. And yeah, but it's getting cold already. So, but got out of here. We got it started. Runs really good. I think I do want to take and pop it off just one more time. Just one more time. We can do it one more time. Alright guys, tell me what I can do with fix that damn steering column. Later.